In this video, you'll learn how to create a daily planner using Notion AI. By following these steps, you will be able to efficiently set up a personalized daily planner that suits your needs. Begin by navigating to the Notion website, open your preferred web browser, and type in .notion.so in the address bar. Press enter to access the Notion homepage where you can explore the various features offered by the platform. Next, locate the option for Notion AI. Once you are on the homepage, look for the I section. This may be found in the main menu or as a highlighted feature on the page. Click on the relevant link to access Notion AI's capabilities. After this, you will be prompted to input your request. In the text input area, type the phrase "Create a daily planner." This specific query will guide Notion AI to generate a tailored planner for you. Ensure that your wording is clear for the best results. Then, click on the Enter key or the corresponding button to submit your request. At this point, you should see a loading indicator or a message indicating that your request is being processed. This confirms that Notion AI is working on generating your daily planner. Wait for a moment as the AI processes your request. This may take some time depending on the complexity of the planner and the current load on the Notion AI system. Be patient as the generation process is crucial for creating a functional planner. Once the planner is generated, look for a section labeled Daily Planner. Click on this option to view the planner that Notion AI has created for you. This section will contain your customized daily planner template. Next, navigate to the Calendar tab within your planner. This will allow you to integrate your tasks and events into a calendar format, providing a comprehensive view of your schedule. Click on the Calendar option to proceed. Following this, click on All Tasks to view all the tasks associated with your planner. This section will display a list of tasks that you can manage and organize according to your daily schedule. Make sure you are familiar with this layout for efficient task management. After reviewing your tasks, click on a specific task that you want to focus on. This action will allow you to edit or add details to that task, ensuring that your planner is tailored to your specific needs. Then click on a blank space within your planner to create additional tasks or notes. This area can be used to add new information, reminders, or any other details necessary for your daily planning. Ensure you utilize this space effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.